Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take off or put on the mopping pads on your ECOVACS X1 Turbo robot. Do it. First press on the third button on your charging base to exit the robot out of it. Then after it drives out all the way, take it and flip it over. So I'm gonna put it here. And as you can see on the robot, there are two mopping pads, which you can just easily take off because they are attached with a magnet.
Mopping pad plate not properly installed. Please check. Switch to vacuum mode. Task ended. Mopping pad plate not properly installed.
And you can also replace the mopping pads itself. They are attached with a Velcro, so you can take it out, order a new one and put it back on. Then to put these pads on, it doesn't matter which one goes where. Just attach it with a magnet. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.